In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your search history on the eBay app. Whether you are looking to clear some space or simply want to maintain a bit of privacy regarding your recent searches, I've got you covered. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to open up the eBay app. Once you're in, the first thing to do is to sign in if you haven't done so already. Look towards the top left corner of the page where you'll find the sign in option. Click on it and then proceed to enter your login details. Being logged in is necessary because the search history is tied to your personal account. Now, there are two different ways you can go about deleting your search history. Let me walk you through the first option. Start by navigating to the search bar within the app. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do that, you should see a list of your recent searches dropping down. What you need to do here is spot the little X icon located at the right-hand corner next to each search query. All you need to do is click on that X and you'll see that particular search vanish from the list. This method is excellent if you only want to clear specific search entries without disturbing the entire history. Moving on to the second method, this involves clearing your recently viewed items entirely. This might be handy if you're looking to start afresh with your search history. To do this, first look for the See All option linked to your recently viewed items. It should be somewhere on the right corner of that section. Click on See All to expand the list. Once you're in the expanded view, look out for the Clear All option. Click on it, but don't rush away just yet. A message prompt will appear asking you if you're sure about this action. Carefully read through that message. Once you are ready to proceed, click on Confirm. And just like that, your recently viewed items will be cleared out. It's as simple as that. Remember, this will not only get rid of your search history, but also any other cached content you have viewed recently, giving you a clean slate to start with. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily manage your eBay app's search history in no time. Whether opting for a focused or expansive delete, maintaining your eBay search privacy is now at your fingertips. Thank you for tuning in and happy searching on eBay.